County in Rhode Island, southwestern Kent County in Rhode Island, until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Westerly, or 10 miles southeast of Mystic, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include quarter-size hail. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Coventry, Westerly, Hopkinton, Charlestown, Richmond, Exeter, West Greenwich, and Sterling.
You're kidding, right?
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Windham County. Number 15.
You're kidding, right? Oh my God. Two o'clock in the morning, but
betting this stuff so quickly that when there is value, it is just dissipating. If I had to bet right now, I think I would bet number of wide receivers in the first round. You got to pay tons of big on this. Under 4.5, I think it's almost impossible that we'll see 5 wide receivers in the first round. And I would bet O-linemen over 5.5. I think it's very likely, if you have to pay extra big, that you're going to see more than 5 linemen in the first round.
Says there's another development I want you to watch. I got a text about an hour. Will Anderson. They want a pass rusher. Remember, their new coach, D'Amico Ryans, is a defensive guy.